Hello, my name is Matthew, and today I'm going to show you the features of QTpod's new pricing center. In the pricing center, you are going to be able to change prices for multiple pumps simultaneously, create and apply discount classes to multiple accounts, and create and apply volume discounts so that your customers can receive discounts as they purchase fuel in bulk. Let's take a look. Once you're in Siteminder, you're going to see a new button in the navigation at the top of the screen called Pricing Center. You're going to click on this, and it is going to transfer you over to the new Pricing Center site. Once you're here, you will be able to select the site that you want to edit. Today we are going to be editing the Pricing Center tutorial site. Once you bring up the site, it will show you the different products that are available at this site, and you can choose which of these three menus you want to edit. We're going to start in the product price area. This is the primary place where you will be setting the base cost and retail price of your different products. Here we have the list of the two products that I have at the site, diesel and 100 low lead fuel. Over here, you can see the last time that I changed the price and who changed it. You can also see which pumps are currently using that type of fuel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a diesel. I have not set that up yet, so I'm going to set it up for the first time. I'm going to click on this pencil over here, and I have the opportunity over here to start by putting in my base cost. So I'm going to say that my base cost for diesel fuel is $4 per gallon. Now, for setting the retail price, I have the option of setting it manually. So I'm going to charge $5.509 for the retail price. I could do that and then hit save. That saves the base cost and retail price. However, I also have the opportunity to turn on the auto price feature. This is a new feature that we are rolling out with the pricing center. So what I can do here is I can turn on the auto price feature, and then this unlocks these two selections over here. So what I can do is I can say I want my retail price to always be my base price plus $2. And you can see that after I enter in 2, it changes to 6 over here. This will stay constant even as I change the base cost. So if my base cost goes up to 5, I can enter in 5, click away, and then my retail price changes to 7. I can also change this from $1 to 8%. So if, for example, I always want my retail price to be a 30% margin over my base cost, I can enter in the percentage, and then, like before, the retail price will change automatically based on what my base cost is. As you saw right there, the system will warn you when you're about to change the prices in such a way that you are selling them at a loss. This warning is only temporary because once I click out of this, the retail price will update to the correct value. So I'm going to hit save over here. And now it's also recorded my name under the updated user. So you can always keep a track of who is changing your price on what day. Let's start now to take a look at the class discount tab. This is where we're going to manage the different class discounts that we can assign to multiple different customer accounts all at once. We have one existing. We're going to start off with a new one. So I'm going to click on Create New, and then I'm going to name it. I'm going to call it Special Membership. I'm going to go through these options. I'm going to say that it is going to be a dollar amount based discount, and I'm going to say that it relates to the retail price. I'm going to show you both ways. I'm going to start with the retail price, and I'm going to say that this is going to be a 20-cent discount. And I also get to choose which of these fuels to apply it to. I'm going to apply it only to the diesel fuel. So you can see on the right, I start by getting a preview based on the price of diesel, what this discount would look like for somebody who's actually getting the discount. So we can see that the base cost is 9, retail price is 11.7, The adjustment is 20 cents, and the final price for somebody who gets the discount would be $11.50. Over here, I have a list of all of my accounts that I have loaded into Siteminder, and I can choose one or more of these to assign the discount to. So I'm going to click on these two accounts, and then I'm going to hit save. And now when I go back into my special membership discount, I can see that these two accounts are now receiving the discount. Now, if you don't want to do it by a discrete dollar amount, you can set it by a percentage, and we're going to actually change that right now. So I'm going to say that instead of getting a 20-cent discount, I'm going to say that they should get a 25% discount, and that will apply to all fuel, diesel and 100 low lead. Now I can look over here and see that the discount is different based on the fuel because it applies as a percentage and not a specific dollar amount. So here I can see that the discounted price of 100 low lead for this person would now be $2.625, and for diesel it would be $8.775. I'm going to hit save and apply that. One thing that the system will do is it will prevent you from making an adjustment that causes the discounted price to fall outside of the base cost retail price window. You can think of these as your cost floor and cost ceiling respectively. So I'm going to dismiss that, and I'm going to make a slightly less generous discount here of 5%. You can see the updated values over here, and then I'm going to try to save again. And that will go through. So now I have a special membership of 5% related to the retail price. Now, if, for example, you want, instead of basing this on the retail price, you'd like to base it on the base cost. If you have, for example, you want the special membership to be what your cost of fuel is plus 10%. Then we can do that, and you can see over here, the adjustment is now based off of the base cost rather than the retail cost. So I can say, I want my special members to pay what I pay plus 10% or plus 15%. And then I'm going to click save. And these values will update as you update your base and retail costs in the product price tab. A couple of other things that I will show you is that if you already have the old style account level discounts active on a particular account, like this one does, test card 2004 has a 25-cent discount from the older way of doing it, of applying it just to that account. We can overwrite that, or the system will give you a warning, and it will just confirm that you do want to get rid of that individual discount and replace it with a discount class. Yes, we do want to proceed, so we will do that, and we will save. And when we bring up this special membership again, then it will have gone away, and we see that they are now part of the special membership. This does apply in reverse as well. If you go to an account that already has a class and you try to give it an individual discount, then it will take away the class. The account can only have either a class discount or an individual discount assigned to it. I can, if I want, for example, for the Gold Club membership, if I have a large amount of customers and I want to see which ones without scrolling through, I can click on the button that says Show Selected Accounts, and it's going to reduce this list to only those accounts that are in that class. It makes it easier for you, for example, to remove a discount if you want to remove particular accounts from getting that discount. As always, we save, and then we can go back in, show all accounts, and now we have fewer accounts that are getting that particular discount. Now let's look at the volume discount tab. Here, I can create new volume discounts to give my customers a discount when they are buying fuel in bulk. I'm going to start by clicking on Create New, and I'm going to call this Bulk Discount. From here, I'm going to designate the type of discount as a dollar amount discount. I'm going to mark it as active, And I'm going to select it for 100 low lead. And then I'm going to set up my thresholds. The first threshold is going to be 50 gallons, then 100, then 150. For the discounts, I'm going to say that anyone who gets over 50 gallons of fuel during a transaction will get a 5-cent discount. For 100, I'm going to put it as 10 cents. And then lastly, for 150, I'm going to set it to 20 cents. Once I click save, then that is a saved volume discount. I can go back in to edit it over here, where I can select a different type of discount or apply it to a different product. Let's talk about how discounts interact with each other. First, account level discounts and discount classes are mutually exclusive. The same account in Siteminder cannot simultaneously have a discount class and an account level discount applied to it. If you assign an account level discount to an account that already has a discount class, it will remove the discount class. Similarly, if you assign a discount class to an account that has an account level discount, it will remove the account level discount. Volume discounts are not applied if a customer has an account level discount or discount class applied to their card. In other words, the only way that a customer can get a volume discount is if they are not already receiving a discount class or an account level discount. Let's take a look at some scenarios. First, let's talk about downtown airport. The price of fuel for customers at downtown airport is $5 per gallon. The airport offers a 10-cent per gallon discount for customers who buy more than 100 gallons at a time. The customer John Doe has a direct agreement with the airport where he is getting a 20-cent per gallon discount on his customer account. John Doe goes to the airport and pumps 120 gallons of fuel. First, we're going to look at whether John has an account level discount or a discount class. In this case, he does. Because he does, we're going to skip the volume discount because John has already gotten one from his account. We then determine what his price per gallon is and what his payment is. Let's look at a different scenario. Sunnyside Marina. The price of fuel is still $5 per gallon for customers. This site offers a 15-cent per gallon discount for customers who buy more than 50 gallons at a time. They also have a discount class of 5% off of the retail price for their boat slip renters. Susan Smith is a transitory customer who doesn't have any customer account on file. She goes to the marina and pumps 63 gallons of fuel. First, we check whether Susan has an account level discount or a discount class. Because she's a transitory customer without a customer account, she cannot have either of these. Then, we look at whether there is a volume discount and if she pumped enough fuel to qualify for it. In this case, she did. We calculate the price and the final payment. This concludes the Pricing Center tutorial video. Thank you for using QTpod.